Hi children, welcome to Sahiti's Corner. Today we are going to learn about Class 5 Environmental Studies and the climate change with complete notes. Okay children, let us see the lesson. Climate. What about the climate? And what is the change in climate? Then what will happen to us if any change occurs in climate? Let us see what are the effects or benefits. Okay, now here a picture is there. In this picture, a son and a father are walking along the Rhine. What's happening? The son asked the father, Father, this is not rainy season. Why the Rhine is continuously drenching us? Then father said, Now we are in unseasonal rains and unseasonal heat, son. Why? Because our indiscriminatory actions are the main reasons of the damage of environment or environment. Oh, is it, father? Then now we are going to learn about what is climate. The weather conditions such as temperature, rainfall, etc. prevailing. That means temperature, rainfall or humidity, if they are increasing high in the nature, it is called as the climate. It is called as the climate. Again children, the weather conditions such as temperature, rainfall, etc. prevailing in an area is called climate. Now, it's hot in summer. It rains in the rainy season and cold in the winter. But the pattern is completely changed in these days. We have long summers and we have untimely rains. Then what will happen? The crops are damaged and the damage of the crops affected on our food products. That will be very, very dangerous to us. What is climatic change? The earth we live is a beautiful blue planet, covers with green. That means green means dense forest. After a long time, we are going in a green fields. We can get cool breeze, but now we have no fields, green fields, and no harvesting, no watering, and no irrigation because we are in the luxurious society. Burning waste, cutting trees, burning fuels. This is the main reason in the climate change. Okay, let us know how the earth is become warmer. How the earth is become warmer? What are the reasons? Earth ఎందుకు వేడెక్కుతోంది? Yes, let us see. Yes, factories are releasing dangerous gases and factories are releasing dangerous chemicals into the water. And that water leads to the death of aquatic animals. So it is very dangerous to us and plants and animals also. And dumping wastes. We are getting dumping waste here and there. There is no systematic everything. There is no system in every activity of the humans. Effects of climate change. What will happen about climate change? Because of climate changes, we don't get timely rainfall. Yes, timely rainfall. Otherwise, we haven't timely rainfall. What will happen? Drought will occur. Heavy cyclones, tsunamis may occur. Melting of ice in the polar region leads to rise in ocean level and places near the seashore may be submerged. And water of the sea will be damaged. Here see floods, melting ice, forest fires, droughts. These are all dangerous effects because of climatic change. Because of our releasing our harmful chemicals, sewage to the water, and the aquatic plants and animals are died because of our nasty doings in the nature. And air pollution, water pollution, everywhere. Now let us stop a while and think activities of Save Our World. Say no to plastic and use only eco-friendly material. Yes, use only eco-friendly material. Now just do a thing. Collect the use and throw pens and put there. How many of them? Please collect once. This is very dangerous thing. And we are carrying many plastic bags or covers. Even hot things, hot tea or coffee are also carried in the plastic bags. It is harmful to us, harmful to all the people. Plastic wastage is growing more and more in the water and on the earth also. It's not decomposed like bio wastage. So just reduce plastic usage and use the things that can be decomposed early rather than the plastic. Okay, then throw the plastic covers from your home. Take a paper cover or bag which is comfortable and which is decomposed and which is very helpful to our nature. Let us see what is about global warming. The earth is covered with green cover, that means dense forest, thick forest we have. But after some days, and now in these days, we are losing the green cover of the earth. That means we have no trees more than the before. So there will be a warming of the globe because of carbon dioxide and other gases releasing from our refrigerators and air coolers. That is called global warming. That is called global warming. Let us stop somewhere for some time about air conditioners and refrigerators from our home at least 2 hours a day. It will be a very, very, very great thing about the nature, because we have to protect the nature, because nature protects us. And we have to give the nature as it is to our next generations. We are not giving that and getting perfect rainfall at the season. And now do it. And now green world. Earth is the lungs. Forests are the lungs of the earth. Forests are the lungs of the earth. Why? Because lungs are taking oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide of our body. At the same way, earth has oxygen by the forests only. So, make the forest for a long time. Don't cut the trees for our nasty and our greedy usages and needs. Deforestation is very dangerous, and we are cutting trees indiscriminately for getting the wood to our daily things for need of our home. Make an activity like this. Read the given situations and say whether it's right action or not. Ravi's family is constructing a house. Then he ordered a machine for cutting the big neem tree. It is wrong. Electricity department people are cutting down the branches of the tree to erect. It is also wrong. More trees are being cut down due to widening of roads. This is also wrong. Burning of leaves and agricultural waste. These activities are all wrong because of our damage and making damage to the earth and also to our climate. We are losing many of that and we are losing everything. Now let us meet a great heroine. Let us meet a heroine of environmental things, Greta Thunberg. She is a great Swedish environmental activist on climate change whose campaigning has gained international recognition. Thunberg addressed the 2018 United Nations Climate Change Conference, which related to us. And now Chipko movement. It's a great movement held in 1970s, organized by Sundarlal Bahuguna, and these are number of activists, environmental activists out there. Medha Patkar, Sunita Narayan. Medha Patkar is greatest Narmada Bachao movement leader, and Maneka Gandhi, and Vandana Shiva. We have lot of environments in India. These are struggling, and these are all struggling about environmental damage, and we just make them proud because of our activities. Now we have to use all the waste and make it in dry and waste pits. Then it will may occur a good systematic environment or climate to your house. Okay, next, can we celebrate our festivals eco-friendly? No. What is the reason? We are making Ganesh, and during the Ganesh festival we are making the Ganesh with plaster of Paris, and we are immersed that Ganesh statues in the water. Then water gets polluted, and these harmful chemicals affect the aquatic life. Burning of crackers, using of colors in during Holi, these are all dangerous activities. These are all not at all an eco-friendly celebrations. We have to make clay Ganesh and traditional lights for Diwali, and decorate our houses and temples with traditional decorations like banana leaves, and just use for festivals or marriages. Avoid plastic plates. Use banana leaves. Use natural colors and clay idols. These are all eco-friendly activities that we can do, at least a minimum to our nature, which gives us oxygen and which helps us to live a long life with healthy. Okay, this is about climatic change. Please avoid plastic. And use paper more than the plastic. It is very benefit to us and our next generations. Okay children, now we are going to learn about improve your learning. That means there are skilled questions, and now let us answer the skilled questions which I have given in the textbook. With the help of my lesson, you can easily answer the question, but I am giving you here with answers. You can take the screenshots and write in your book, or you can add some more your own thoughts to that answers, and you can go through the question and answers. I think my video and my class is helpful to you, and if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please contact me in the comment section. I will respond it. And who are watching the first time this video, please subscribe my channel and give a share and like and comment. But please avoid plastic and use paper. Help to the nature. Save the future. These are the questions and answers. Go for it. I am giving you each question except the only question that is given in your textbooks. Make things or make toys with plastic water bottles. It is an activity you have to do by your own. And expose that activities and expose the toys in your classroom or in your project room. These are all question and answers. Make it sure. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఫస్ట్ టైం వీడియో చూస్తున్న వాళ్ళు వారి ఛానల్ చూస్తున్న వాళ్ళు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, కామెంట్స్ ఇవ్వండి, సజెషన్స్ ఇవ్వండి, షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. విల్ మీట్ ఇన్ అవర్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో.